Hey guys, we're going to go ahead and learn how to convert radians into degrees. So radian in degrees, you guys, is how we measure an angle. So let's say in a circle, one full roundabout is 360 degrees. Now that's if we're looking at it in degree form. Now let's say we're looking at it in radian form. Now you've worked with radian, you just didn't know it. Okay. Same thing, let's say in a circle, a full turn is 2 pi. Okay. So once again, 360 degrees is the same thing as 2 pi. It's the same thing, you guys. It's like saying I'm saying something in English and saying something in Spanish. You're using a different language, but it means the exact same thing. So in this case, we know that 360 degrees is equivalent to 2 pi. Okay. Now, we're going to use this fact, ladies and gentlemen, to convert radian measure to degrees. So for example, they say we're asked to convert 7 radians into degrees. Well, we know 360 degrees is the same as 2 pi, right? What we want to know, ladies and gentlemen, is how many degrees is 7 radians? Well, radians is 2 pi radians, not degrees, so we put it under the 2 pi. 7 radians into how many degrees, which we don't know, so let's call it x. Once again, we're given 7 radians into how many degrees? We're given the radian, so we put it on the right side. If we were given degrees, we would put it on the left side. But we're given radians, so it goes into the 2 pi radians. Okay? From here, we should know to cross multiply. (360) times 7 equals 2 pi times x. Now 360 times 7 gives us 2520. 2 pi x. We want to isolate x, so let's go and divide both sides by 2 pi. And we're left with x equals. And let's go ahead and just leave it in that form, guys. 2520 divided by 2 pi. Now, normally we would divide that out. Some of you may not have a calculator. For those of you who do and are curious, you go ahead and put 2520 divided by 2 pi. And that gives you an answer. (2520) divided by 2 pi, 401.07 degrees. Now, I'm not anticipating or expecting you to turn it into this value. You can leave it as a fraction form, that's okay. For those of you who have a calculator and would like to leave it in degrees, you can go ahead and leave it like that. But that answer is just fine as well.